Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. Al-Qaeda chief Ayman al-Zawahiri was killed by the US forces in drone strike in Afghanistan capital Kabul. He was targeted with two Hellfire missile, which is also called the Ninja bomb. It is used for killing leaders of extremist group while avoiding the civilian casualties. India has finally jointly tops the chart with China as India has received 10 new Ramsar sites. With this, India's number of Ramsar sites has gone up to 64, whereas Madhya Pradesh has now 3 Ramsar sites. One is Upper Lake Bhopal, another one is Sankhe Sagar Lake of Shivpuri, and the third and the latest one is Sirpur Lake, Indore. Ramsar Convention was established in 1971 by UNESCO and came into force in 1975 with the aim of conservation of wetlands, whereas India signed the Ramsar Convention of 1st of February 1982. Madhya Pradesh Tourism gets prestigious E4M Golden Mics Award 2022 for its wellness radio campaign Khushiyan Tere Piche Chale. World's largest floating solar power plant to be built on Narmada's Omkareshwar Dam in Madhya Pradesh. Khandwa will become the only district in the state to have all three things, including solar, hydel, and thermal, with over 4,000 megawatt power to be produced from a single district. Criminal Procedure Identification Act 2022 will be effective from August 1st week. The act expands the power of the authorities to collect biometric and behavioral data of convicts, arrested persons, and under trials. The data includes fingerprint impression, palm print impression, footprint impression, photographs, iris and retinal scans, and other physical and biological samples, as well as behavioral attributes, including handwriting sample and signatures. The act authorized the NCRB to store this data for up to 75 years and share it with other law enforcement agencies. However, the act is being criticized by the legal experts. So, this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to hit the like button and comment your valuable feedback. Also, press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.